So hello everyone, today I'll be covering a video on NSSB notification. So as I've already told you that NSSB notification will be out very soon. So as proposed, the NSSB notification has been out, and the online application will start from 15th of September and it will end on 10th of October 2022, and the date of written examination is from 10th to 12th November 2022. So this, as I've already told you, the NSSB notification will be for selection of grade 3 and 4 posts which are not covered under NBSC. And as you can see, the following posts are provided. That is, first item is pharmacist, level 7, and it will be from level 3 to level 7 only. That is, level 8 and 9 and above are under NBSC. However, up to level 7 is for NSSB. So first you can see the item, that is pharmacist under geology and prison, 1 month post, and LDA, which will consist of 4 posts. Statistical investigator under health and family welfare, draftsman, sectional overseer, plumber, electrician, technician, laboratory assistant, fashion designing, soft skill instructor, baking and confectioner, hairstyling instructor, all under various departments. And if you see the notification, if you see the number of posts, I have calculated the number of posts and it is coming to 614 posts. So kindly don't lose the opportunity, as I've been telling you that the notification will be out very soon, and keep preparing for the NSSB exam. So if you see the post, all the department has posted the vacancies, and some will be filled up with the people with disability and the various reservation policies. And one of the users have said that JDA, so JA will also come under NSSB, and there are 35 posts under treasures and accounts. So there are a number of items from various departments like horticulture assistant, veterinary field assistant, LDA. Mostly LDA have maximum vacancies, and if you see the vacancies, it is up to item number 39, and this accounts to around 614 posts, that is including the people with disability and various other reservation under the Nagaland reservation policy. And some if you look at the notification, the post will require some specialized qualification, like for pharmacists, bachelor in pharmacy, and the NSSB notification have minimum 12 pass. That is, even 12 pass candidates can also apply for this post. However, it will be only for limited posts, and mostly it is for HSSLC. Also HSLC, that is 10 pass also is required. For example, this HSLC with certification documents, and some will require graduation certificate or engineering degree. So people with engineering degree and graduation degree can also apply for this. Kindly take a look at the post, that is, some LDA item number 19 requires graduate with computer application. However, if you are a BTech in computer science, then no need of diploma degree. You can simply do it with your degree certificate. So look at the notification, and the total notification is around 614 posts. So don't lose this opportunity, as NSSB is the first that is advertised in Nagaland after a long time. So, and it consists of 2020 to 22 backlog posts. So all the LDA posts that was requisition that was returned by the department has been advertised under NSSB for 614 posts. So kindly don't lose the opportunity, and the exam center will be held all over the Nagaland, and minimum age is 21 and maximum is 30, and age relaxation that is provided by the NPC is also applicable. And computer proficiency test will also be there, and the the mode of preparation is group A, that is first paper is 200 marks and second paper is 200 marks and paper 2, and there will be interview viva voce for 12.5% of the total marks, and this 200 marks will consist of general aptitude, general knowledge, that is for 100 marks, English for 100 marks, and computer for 100 marks, and maths for 100 marks. So together it is 400 marks. So all the qualification will have separate marking system, and the age realization will be provided under the PNR department OM, that is for 2 years due to the COVID-19 pandemic. So these are the documents that you will be needing. If you go through the documents, you will see this. So with this, if you are interested in the NSSB course, the Aspirant Circle is providing NBSC Crash Course for 1 month, as the exam will start from 11 to 12 November 2022. So kindly register in the NSSB course, and if you want only material, that is if you have already gone through the coaching, then NSSB material is 4,899, which is the total course is 4,899, and the crash course is only 3,000 rupees, and the material is only 3,000 rupees. And the material is NSSB centric, and the mentors are Sir Shamba, who has also qualified NPSC, myself who has also qualified NPSC, Sir Iben, and Sir Tejasulu. So all are NPSC qualified students. So if you are interested in the course, kindly register in the number that is provided in the link below, that is 8415039823. So kindly register in this number for your chances in NSSB selection. Please keep in mind that this is a golden opportunity for you, and you must not miss this chance. So thank you for watching and have a great time.